it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I have featured the brand new JA Roby Gemini, and I am so excited. I was thoroughly impressed when I arrived to the showroom and this stove was here because it is massive. It is literally huge. It's as tall, almost as tall as me. Wild. So anyway, here I'm going to show you guys how to unpack your stove and what comes with your guys' stove during the unpacking process. I do have other videos on making adjustments to the stove, product overviews, technical videos, first burn videos, cooking and baking videos, so be sure to check out all of our videos on the Gemini series. Alright, so I'm going to unpack the stove and show you guys what comes with. There is going to be stuff packed inside the baking oven and inside the firebox, possibly inside the ash pan box as well, so be sure to open up everything. One thing that is going to be unique about the Gemini stove is it comes with a blower, a room blower. The reason that this particular model can have the blower versus other cook stoves is because it's an EPA approved model. So this is going to be one of like the few or only cook stoves on the market with a blower option, so that's very nice. Your oven rack that's going to be located inside here is going to come all wrapped up as well, so we'll take the cardboard off of this and show you guys those contents as well. Inside our firebox, we'll have our owner's manual, nice box of tools, packing material. One thing that I do want to point out about JA Roby stoves is the chrome is always going to have a cover on it. Now, unfortunately, this got taken off before I could film, but I do want to point this out. Check out all of the chrome corners on your JA Roby stove and make sure that you just remove that film off. It's a plastic film and it just peels right off there. Okay, in the back of the stove, we have our insulation. So this needs to get installed inside the stove as well. It's going to go at the top of the firebox here, above those air tubes. We do have to make sure that you install the bricks as well. So I'm going to take you guys up close and show you the positioning of where the bricks should be installed. So you can see that it is a nice steel bottom, and on the sides as well, this is going to be an insulation here, this white on each side that goes underneath the bricks, which adds more heat protection. On the top of the firebox, you do have your air tubes. We're going to install that insulation blanket into the top of the stove. Don't forget, if you guys like my videos, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to click that little subscribe button in the corner of the channel, y'all. It helps me out so much when you subscribe to my channel. And always, if you have a friend that would be interested in these topics, please don't forget to share the content. That also helps me out so much. Thanks, y'all. God bless, and have a wonderful day.